First off, welcome to IntelliTraders. You're looking at eToro, which is our home Forex broker for IntelliTraders. So basically, we have an incredible opportunity for you. You can get $100 free to trade with. We're going to give it to you. All we ask is that you help us grow by telling your friends and using our service and give us feedback and all that good stuff. So should be a really good opportunity for you as a new trader. The first thing you're going to want to do is in the bottom left hand corner you'll see the green click to deposit button, and when you're talking with our live chat guys, we'll walk you through depositing and getting your $100 in your account. Once you have your money in your account, then it's time for the fun part, and you'll see up here in the top right that if you click on expert mode, which is what we tell all our traders to use, you'll see there's this is where all the trading happens. So basically it's divided into a few different sections. In the top left you have the whole currency section where you select any currency you want that you're interested in. You'll see all 14 of them are here, and so that's the top left. On the right side you'll see where you actually open a trade, and you can create an order as well, but we won't mess with that for now. We'll just stick with a simple open trade. And you see the big buy and sell buttons we'll get into in a second, and in the bottom you'll see the open trades and orders and your history and all that stuff. So if you start in the top left, basically if I click on the EUR/USD, you'll see that over here the buy and sell buttons reflect those prices. If I click on any other one, it's going to update these prices over here with whatever they should be for that currency pair. So back to my example, Euro US dollar, let's say I want to buy it. I click on buy, and over here you'll see the numbers pop up. It does all the work for you. Basically on this account I can change my risk level, but you will be limited when you're first getting started with your $100 bank account. You will only be able to trade with 400 to 1 leverage, and this is really important because your leverage, also known as your risk level here, basically that controls how much power you're trading with, and in general the larger that number is, the more risk you have. But because your account size is so small with just $100 in it, it's going to force you to trade with 400 leverage, and as a result your amount here, which changes when I change this the leverage, you'll notice the amount is going to be set to $2.50 minimum. It's different from my settings here because I have more in my account balance, but you'll see $2.50 here, and we really suggest that you leave it at that, because basically what that means is as your investment amount, you're investing $2.50 in, so worst case that's how much you're going to lose at 400 to 1 leverage. If you want, you can increase that amount, that investment amount, to let's say $10, but really all that's doing is increasing your risk, and when you increase your risk, it's inevitable that eventually you have a losing trade or a series of them, and you're just going to run out of money. So we really advise you to stick with the $2.50 until you know how to trade, and if you want, increase it to $10, but understand that there's a risk that goes with that, and you're definitely lowering your odds at maintaining your bankroll and making money eventually as you learn how to trade. So keep that less than $10 if you can. The next two options are the stop loss and the take profit. These you can change to whatever you want them to be. Basically, stop loss is if you have a losing trade, that's when it's going to take you out of the trade. And by default, it's going to be your $2.50. Like we said, that's your biggest risk you can take. And the profit is going to be also $2.50, and you can change that to be whatever number you want as well. When you're ready to place a trade, you click Open Trade button, and it's going to ask you if you really mean to do this. Click Yes, OK, and it will execute it. You'll see instantly that it shows up down here in the Open Trades order box down here. It shows you your investment amount. For me it's $25. You'll see $2.50 there, unless of course you changed it to a higher amount, and the price you got it at and all that stuff. And basically your stop loss and take profit you can adjust here at any time if you want by just using that window. And another important thing here, by the way, this shows your gain, your profit or loss, and your percentage gain or loss. Another important thing here is this chart icon over here on the right. This gives a graphical element. Since we teach a lot of trading patterns on these charts, it is important that you bring it up and kind of learn what we're doing here. But when I bring it up, we prefer the candlestick, and when you are looking at this chart here, it's going to show you where your profit order and stop loss order is. So you can kind of see on the chart what price needs to do for you to win or lose money on this trade. So become familiar with this window, play around with it a little bit. Again, it's just nice because we teach you how to trade with charts, so it's obviously nice to look at the charts. And down here you can change it to a 5-minute chart, 1-hour chart, or 24-hour chart even. It is an option from this window also to just close the trade. I'm not going to do it just yet, but that's the charting window. From here, from your open trades thing, you can click on close, and what that's going to do is, if you don't wait for it to hit your stop loss or your take profit orders, you can click close and it's instantly going to just close that position as soon as you confirm that that's what you want to do at whatever price it's at. So I'm going to go ahead and do that right now, and in a nutshell, that is how you place a trade with eToro. Enjoy the free $100 we give you. Hopefully we'll have you here for a long time, and in no time at all you'll be a pro with us.